Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam.
Hi guys, we are from Software Engineering Class A2 Informatics. We will be presentation chapter 9 formal specification from Ian Summerfield books. And I will introduce my team. My name is Anissa Oceania.
My name is Dimas Nufrianto.
My name is Forozi.
Okay, let's enjoy the presentation. Next.
Okay. Formal specification in the software process. Formal specifications are part of a more general collection of techniques known as formal methods. These are all based on mathematical representation and software analysis. Formal specification in the software process. Specification and design are closely intermingled. Architectural design is very important to the specification structure and specification process. Formal specifications are expressed in precisely defined mathematical notation, syntax, and semantic vocabulary. Purpose to explain why formal specification techniques help find problem in system requirement. To illustrate the use of algebraic techniques for interface specification. To illustrate the use of model-based techniques for behavior specification. There are the three levels of software specification. One, as a requirement. Two, system requirement. Three, software design specification. Specification in software process. Divided into three, namely. One, specification and design are closely related. Two, art architectural design is very important for the specification structure in its process. Three, formal specifications are expressed in precisely defined arithmetic notation, syntax, and semantic of vocabulary. Drawing specification and design. This figure shows the software specification stack and its interface in the design process. Image specification in software process. The specification and design activities can be carried out in parallel. Information is linked in two directions at each step from specification to the design or design process. Even though the specification has been made in detail, it is still possible to increase the specification in the process. Long specification approach. The algebraic approach is developed in terms of operation and its relationship where the model-based approach is developed with mathematical construct sets and series, which are defense and system operation. Okay, next.
Okay, next. The use of formal specification means that the cost profile of a project. There is a bigger up Front costs us more time and effort is spent developing specification. However, implementation and validation costs will be reduced as the specification process reduce errors and ambiguities in requirements. Software processing costs are affected by the use of formal specification. With formal specification, specification costs can be compared and system validation costs are significantly reduced. Work on developing formal specification can address requirements problem. Rework to correct this problem after the system is designed will be avoided. Interface specification. Large systems are broken down into subsystems with well-defined interface between subsystems. The subsystem interface specification allows independent development of different subsystems. Interface can be defined as abstract data types or object classes. The algebraic approach to formal specification is particularly suitable for interface specifications that focus on the operation defined in an object. Interface specifications provide information for subsystem development because the right subsystem is important for developing an interface, but in the development process, the interface can see or use other subsystem surface before implementation. Data in operation can be accessed via the subsystem interface. Algebraic specification drawing. Component specification introduction defines the type name and says any other specification used. Second, description formal describe operation on types. Third, defines the syntax of the operation in the interface and their parameters. Fourth, defines the semantic of an operation by defining a scheme that characterizes the behavior. Okay, the next person. Oceania.
Interface specification. Specification constructor organize the interface specification into a set abstract data types or object class. Name specification. Keep the name in the abstract type specification. Do the specification require generic parameters and specific name for the sort identified. Operation selection. Select a set of operations for each specification based on the identified interface functionality. Next, example of a simple structure specification. Next, operating operating specification. Construction operation that create or modify entity from the short defines in the specification. Usually, this is a given name like create, update, add, or in the case cons, which mean construction. An inspection operation that evaluates the short attribute defined in the specification. Usually, this is the name given in relation to the attribute name or names like get, eval, and each other. Next, behavioral specification. An, an alternative approach to formal specification that has been widely used in industrial projects is the model-based specification. Model specification is an approach to formal specification where the system specification is expressed expressed as a system status model. System operation are specifically by defining how the effect on system model the system behavior can be. The formal description is entered as a small, easy to read section. Uh, tell the schema. Tell the schema that is distinguished from the tests that relate to using graphic highlight. Schema are used to control state variable and define constraints and operation on states. Next, uh, example of an insulin reservoir schema. Next, application of the insulin reservoir schema to simple structure. Next, emphasizing the problem to be solved in a major advance of using formal specification. With the formal specification, these conflicts are easier to miss and should be handled at later stage of the development process. Okay, thank you guys for listening our presentation and have a good day. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.